Sa video naman na ito ay piplay natin yung tutorial ng DGPT. Makikita rin ito dun sa application ng DGPT. Okay? Pero dito pinapakita sa tutorial na to yung kanyang registration. Paano ba tayo mag-join? Paano ba tayo kumita dito? Siyempre, number one, dapat meron kang application. So, ganito natin siya gagawin.
Welcome to DGPT. In this video, we will explain how to register on our website. Let's get started. Once you're on the DGPT site, simply click Start. If you've already registered, click to provide your login credentials and log in. If not, click Register. Now, enter your desired username, your email address, and click Send to receive a verification code in your email. Once you've received the verification code, enter it here. Provide your mobile number. Create a password. Reconfirm your password. And if you have an invitation code from someone, enter it. Then click on Register. Congratulations, you have successfully registered. Now, on the login page, enter your email and password, and click Login. Thank you for watching this tutorial.
So, ganun yung pag-registered natin. Ang gagawin lang natin dyan is, kung merong nag-send sa inyo ng invitation code, i-click nyo lang yung invitation code. Kung wala naman kayo invitation code, nakita nyo lang yung video ito, you go to your browser, open nyo yung Chrome. Okay, mag-open kayo ng Chrome. So, sa Chrome, i-type nyo lang yung ai.dgpt.cloud. Okay. So, pagka enter nyo ng URL, click nyo Start. Since ako ay naka-login na, no, makikita nyo yung aking credential kaagad. Pero if not, click Registered, lalabas dyan yung form kung saan maglalagay kayo ng unique na username. Yung medyo kakaibang username para wala siyang katulad, wala siyang kapareho. Email. And then, dapat yung email ay accessible, nabubuksan ninyo. Kasi may confirmation code. No? Tapos, ilagay niyo yung phone number ninyo rito. So, siyempre tayo ay nasa Pilipinas. I-select niyo yung positive 63. Okay? So, positive 63 and then your 10-digit number. And then, your password, confirm password. No? Lalagay niyo dyan yung password ninyo. And then yung invitation code kung sino nag-invite sa inyo. Okay? So, lalagay ko dito yung invitation code ko para makuha ninyo. And then you can use my invitation code to register dito sa DGPT. Okay? So, and then click nyo lang registered after nyo mailagay yung code na sinend sa inyong email. Okay? Don't forget to ready your email open. No, dapat nakabukas na siya kasi pag send nyo nito, bago kayo mag-click ng send, dapat may password na to lahat, may phone number na. And then click send, copy yung send na email code and then paste nyo rito, saka kayo mag-register.